So now I've completed the set. I'll show you it. So I've got Emmet's tricycle. What goes like this, so you can lift them up. You can do like that to balance it like that. You've got planty. Sorry about that. And then you can do this, and then here you can separate them. This is like the Nocturne station, and if you see, because it's like the Kobilitzberg and also Octan, etc. It will come down and fill it up. This is where you can put it. This should be flipped at the Duplo. Oh, I missed. Wait. This is like a Kobilitzberg. I'm going to do something quickly. Who the hell is Babon? Why you want to kiss? Oh, I think I should put some weight. Oh yes, I hit him. Sorry about that. Okay, this is stupid. No. Okay, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoy. Can we get 10 likes? I'm not really like a big one, and I hope we soon, when I get 10 subscribers, I may do like a special quiz. Really, I'm just starting out on YouTube, so yeah. Bye.